This piece was constructed in 2015, exhibited at Mission Beach. The exhibition title was Pivot. It was part of the series, the previous clip of the Samadhi 1, and this is Samadhi 2, I guess, if that one's Samadhi 1. Forgot the name, but I'll give it the name Samadhi 2 this time. It's symbolic of the inversion pose, the entire piece here, and that's my favourite pose. I prefer not to do the inversion traditionally like on the hard surface. I've got a cervical problem from an old football accident which fractured. So I prefer to use a contraption like an inversion chair, but it's my favourite pose because it really is a great tonic for your brain. I feel it immediately, and it enlightens and enlivens, and it's like a cognitive stimulator, a little bit like a good coffee, but a little bit more refreshing, I think, and sustaining. This piece here is from a block print, so it's traditional block print using a lino cut, which then I put the traditional ink and I compress the fiberglass mat onto that to create this block print. So it's been out in the weather. It goes to show that ink is so good, it just stays and stays there. Whilst this is a relief, so it's fiberglass. It's from a mold that I created out of latex. I placed the fiberglass in there to create a series of molds, which I then fused with the resin. I put the resin on top of the print works too. So that's side A. This is side B. I guess it's a dog pose. Also plaques that were made individually and then fused together with the resin. This is a different printing process called sublimation printing, often referred to as t-shirt prints, but I used it on a nylon fabric, and then I placed fiberglass resin to create this solidified sort of rippling effect. And this was a different way that I approached the printmaking. So, you know, I didn't have to do another whole printmaking section. I had a particular printer and I got the sublimation die. So it's a little bit of a different process, but it's a little quicker and in a way a bit more flexible in the printing outcomes than the block print. But I still prefer, in a sense, the simplicity of the block print. There's not as much technology, which is always a good thing. Although I'm into photography, which kind of contradicts the technological sort of dislike.